In the heart of Egypt, there's a city like no other. A city where the dead outnumber the living. Welcome to Saqqara, the necropolis of the ancient Egyptians. This is a place where the walls whisper secrets of the past, where the wind howls through the tombs and the shadows come alive. Saqqara is a city that has been dead for thousands of years, yet it still holds many mysteries. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this ancient city. Saqqara has been a burial ground for over 4,500 years. It was a place where pharaohs and nobles were laid to rest. The city is filled with tombs, some grand and some simple. But all of them hold a story of the people who lived and died in ancient Egypt. The necropolis was built during the Old Kingdom period, and it was used for over 3,000 years. The city was a place of great importance, where the Egyptians would come to pay their respects to their dead. But as the years went by, the city was forgotten, and it was left to the sands of time. As we walk through the city, we come across tombs of all shapes and sizes. Some are grand, with intricate carvings and paintings. Others are simple, with just a stone slab marking the grave. But all of them hold a secret. The tombs are not just a place of burial, but also a gateway to the afterlife. The ancient Egyptians believed that the tombs would provide for the dead in the afterlife. They would fill the tombs with food, drink, and other necessities. The tombs were also decorated with paintings and carvings, which would help the dead on their journey. As we explore the city, we notice that the walls seem to be alive. The stones seem to be whispering secrets to each other. The walls are covered in hieroglyphics, which tell the story of the people who lived and died in Saqqara. The walls are also adorned with paintings, which depict the daily life of the ancient Egyptians. But there's something strange about the walls. They seem to be watching us, as if they're waiting for us to uncover their secrets. The living walls of Saqqara are a mystery, and we are determined to uncover their secrets. As we delve deeper into the city, we start to hear stories of a curse. A curse that has been placed upon the necropolis. Many people who have visited Saqqara have reported strange occurrences. Some have seen ghosts, while others have heard strange noises. The curse is said to have been placed by the ancient Egyptians to protect their dead from grave robbers. But is the curse real, or is it just a myth? We are not sure, but we are determined to find out. As we explore the city, we come across mysterious symbols. Symbols that seem to hold a secret. The symbols are etched into the walls, and they seem to be a code. A code that only the ancient Egyptians could decipher. The symbols are a mystery, and we are determined to uncover their meaning. We've consulted with experts, but none of them seem to know what the symbols mean. It's as if the symbols are a message from the dead, a message that only the living can decipher. As we explore the tombs, we come across hidden chambers. Chambers that have been sealed for thousands of years. The chambers are filled with treasures that have been left behind by the ancient Egyptians. But the chambers are also filled with secrets. Secrets that have been hidden for centuries. We've discovered papyri, which tell the story of the people who lived and died in Saqqara. We've also discovered artifacts, which provide a glimpse into the daily life of the ancient Egyptians. As we continue to explore the city, we start to uncover the secrets of the necropolis. We've discovered that the city was not just a burial ground, but also a place of worship. The ancient Egyptians would come to Saqqara to pay their respects to their dead and to worship their gods. We've also discovered that the city was a place of great learning. The ancient Egyptians would come to Saqqara to study the stars and to learn about the mysteries of the universe. The secrets of the necropolis are slowly being uncovered, and we are determined to learn more. As we leave the city of the dead, we can't help but feel a sense of awe. The city of Saqqara is a place of great mystery and great beauty. The living walls, the mysterious symbols, and the hidden chambers all hold a secret. A secret that we are determined to uncover. The city of the dead may be dead, but it still lives on. The spirits of the ancient Egyptians still roam the streets, and the walls still whisper secrets to each other. We've uncovered some of the secrets of Saqqara, but there's still much to be discovered. The city of the dead will continue to haunt us until we uncover all of its secrets.